Get out of the vehicle.
Give me my license.
I will once you get out of the
No,
vehicle.
I don't have to. Give me my
You
license.
do, because we're towing the vehicle. The plates are expired. No! Hurry, signal 5, she's taking off and stop.
All cars stand by and ships.
On August 23, 2025, at 9:13 p.m., an Ohio officer pulled over a driver for a marked lanes violation, but the traffic stop instantly stalled when she flatly refused to answer basic safety questions about firearms inside her vehicle.
My bad. One, you were flying down Vernon Odom. You had a marked lanes violation at Vernon Odom and Mallison. And then you made an improper turn when you turned on the roads here. You turned to the middle lane, you didn't turn to the inside lane.
Man, get my license in here. Get my ticket. Thank you.
We ask everybody this with the new fire laws on how many firearms in the vehicle are on you.
Ticket.
You have to answer that.
I do not have to answer nothing.
Yes, you do.
Give
You
me my
want to get
ticket,
arrested?
please.
Answer that. Is there any firearms in the vehicle?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Give me my ticket, please, and have a good
I will.
night.
And I will. Don't you worry.
Give me my ticket, please.
You can wait a second.
No, I cannot. I got somewhere to go. Okay, you don't got nothing to search for. Ain't nothing in here.
This is not a search.
Give me my ticket, like I said.
How long have you been a police officer for?
How long have you been one? Because you know I know my rights, so I said give me my ticket.
Years.
You can never have it because you know I'm going to ask you to get out. Run that ticket and give me my ticket and have a good night. Out.
Okay. What law school did you go to?
Just run that ticket and have a good night.
Hey, can you turn the radio down? Ma'am! Hey! That radio's too loud!
Nothing else.
I
Don't
need-
be by my car then.
That's it.
Don't be by my car.
I need to be right here.
You can go back there with him.
I need to be able to hear behind me
You
for
don't have to
traffic.
hear shit else. Bye.
Absolutely I do.
Bye.
Also, you can't be playing music that loud out of your vehicle.
Man, you can't tell me what the f*** I can't play.
It's a safety issue if I can't hear.
Music.
I'm not saying you can't play that
Okay,
music.
shut up, then.
It can't be that loud.
Man, kiss my ass.
That's absolutely too
Kiss my
loud.
ass and give me my ticket. That's all you need to worry about. I don't know why y'all keep talking to me. Say I was flying
This
down
message is
Fiona.
brought to you.
Shit, y'all wasn't even on f***ing Fiona. So kiss my ass. Y'all just turned off for Fiona.
You can stay up there, but don't worry about the radio.
I get this kick thrown out to the y'all some y'all ain't doing shit. Y'all just doing some weird ass shit. Y'all got nothing else to do. Or be on somebody else's. Hurry up, it don't take that long. Y'all some ass cops. I'm glad I'm gonna get out of here again. Hurry up and get in my ticket. Y'all been here for a minute. What's up with your partner? It don't take that long.
Sometimes it can.
No, it don't, because I got pulled over by the stove and it never took this long. So see what your partner doing.
So Stowe does more traffic than Akron does.
Akron the same way. Akron don't got bullshit.
Yeah.
So go see what's up with my ticket.
If I
It
did,
don't take that long to write me a motherfucking
Would
ticket.
you
it
believe
does.
that
So
you're
Stowe,
It don't take that long to write my motherfucking
so
ticket.
they're probably more experienced when it comes to traffic
Sit your
citations.
slow ass back.
I'm just telling you how it is.
Nah, you just sound like you just got in the police division. I'm glad I'm deep in this motherfucking ass city.
Where are you going?
None of your business.
Fair.
Don't pull me over. No motherfuckers on the cars flying down the motherfucking
And it was a Mark Lanes violation.
Man, Mark Wayne's my ass. Guess what? This case will be thrown out. So hurry up and write my ticket.
Okay.
Anything out of the car.
Anything I need.
Get out of the vehicle.
Give me my license.
I will once you get out of the
No,
vehicle.
I don't have to. Give me my
You do,
license.
because we're towing the vehicle. The plates are expired. No! Hurry.
All cars stand by and ships.
She turned eastbound on Thornton. We're trying to catch up to her.
Confirmed. Speeds are 45. I'm still catching up to her right now. We have marked lanes violation, and also expired plate. She took off once we said we were inside the vehicle.
Kari, you just got on the highway. We're going to get off the next exit. No longer pursuing.
Speeds are going to be 40. Looks like she's walking straight down the highway here, 76 west.
I had a feeling she was going to do that, so.
After the driver suddenly accelerated away from the scene to evade a legal vehicle impoundment, officers initiated a high-speed pursuit, resulting in a dramatic tactical arrest on her front porch.
Hi.
Shut your ass up. Don't even come over here talking
You're
to
gonna
me.
get your ticket? Your car's gonna get towed? What she said?
I'll spit on you.
That's what the fuck
Oh,
I
10
said.
cents.
I don't give a
All
fuck.
that.
You want to send a book for the car? We'll do that.
Oh, I will.
What the-
I ain't gotta hide nothing. That's it. I spit on.
You're having a very bad day.
Oh yeah, it's great.
We will be transporting RML 13.
You want me to get the tow report started?
I think he's about to start that. So
Okay.
We are going to be able to get.
Yeah, everything's good. Just don't follow her steps and run from the police. This is what happens. Don't run from the police.
Well, we can start searching.
Got it.
I wonder where the keys are. Hey, Shulik, you got the keys?
No, they might be on the front porch. So she was inside. I just picked the door in. Right here. Oh, nice.
On traffic stops, a simple traffic stop. Don't do that.
I think you're right about her being sig 4.
Hey, son.
Here's involved in the traffic. I'm gonna help with violation. Response or what do you believe? Oh no. Well, Mom, Mark Lane, she crossed over the lane.
I can hear you.
And then her license plate's expired.
Just
She
stay
decided
back here right
no,
there. They gotta do their job.
You can't go through.
Hey.
Was it this door?
Yeah, so like it wouldn't open. I know, but she zipped up. I can't have you up there.
Close your mouth. Just wait. Over for no reason.
So she got pulled over.
She decided to run.
So I kicked. I think that's my footprint right here. I like.
It was
You guys are good?
right here that pulled me over, Teron. This right here pulled me over.
Yep, I did.
Kicked it to pop the lock open.
Okay.
And then it finally popped because it was locked at first.
Hey, they try to tow my car. Wipe my window down.
Nope.
I know. She's under arrest. She is not being cooperative, but no one's talking to her. You guys can sit in your truck and wait.
Why y'all go to the car?
Because it's getting towed.
It's getting towed.
That's why she ran from the traffic stop. The plates were expired. Because the plates were expired and then she ran from us. We got into a chase with her and then she came back here.
So she was sitting here.
Yeah, she was standing there, walked towards the wooden door.
Back here.
If a hard plate is expired by more than a month,
I literally have her license right here from our traffic stop. They're the ones that arrested her. They came back here.
and she ran from us, so it's also being seized for that. I grabbed her to put her arms behind her back. She pulled, so I did a take.
I believe that was in here. The keys were in there. Yeah, the phone. I saw a phone in there.
Whoa. Sit in there.
So like I said, if she calms down, I'll let you guys talk to her, but right now...
Hi, I'm Sergeant Smith. I'm the on-duty sergeant tonight.
Can you want to listen to these?
Yeah, I can check him real quick.
Who are them cops right here?
The takedown, we landed on this couch thing right here.
2330.
What's
Because first of all, he told me...
Ma'am, I'm here to get your side of the story.
My name is Tedra.
I'm not here for anything but the traffic stop
Well, you
or
see, I'm
the
still going to
arrest.
jail.
You guys wouldn't mind just sitting in your truck and wait for her, okay? Or in the house. I mean, it's her house if you want to sit.
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, so why don't you need my side of the story for?
Because I like to get your side of the story.
Why
because
you believe
I
your
have to-
sergeants, usually believe your police before you believe a citizen.
I have to do an investigation, and I like to get your side of the story.
Yeah, we only, her purse that was with her, that was the only thing we grabbed if it's in the purse.
Because your side counts.
Do it really?
It does.
I don't think so.
Nothing
Well,
you
first
say.
of all,
Nothing
they
you
say that I
say to
was
me.
swerving down Leona.
I'm sure she'll want me to give the purse to you guys, so I'll ask her in a second.
They was nowhere in sight, so they must have came down there right, Raymond,
Okay.
because they wasn't even behind me. And I know that for a fact, because I always check my perimeter about you little people. Then I gave him my ID. I said, just give me my ticket, because that's what you could get, just give me my ticket. And he said he was towing my car. No, they're not, because my license is valid. All you have to do is give me my ticket. So I don't know what it shows canceled over here, but my license is valid.
Yeah, okay.
He said, get out, your car is being towed.
Okay.
For what?
You want me to answer that?
Yeah.
Well, your license plate's expired, so that's a reason we can tow it.
Yeah.
But my understanding is we didn't even get that opportunity because
Because they never did. They already came and said they was towing my car.
additionally they have to verify your license through Georgia. We have to run that through the radio. So you just left the traffic stop?
Yes.
Okay. Do you feel that you were free to leave?
No, because what you towing my car for?
Okay.
I just got a citation last week. They have to give me the reason of why they towing my car. They
Because
automatically said they towing my car. They didn't say, ma'am, well, it looks like your license is being suspended or anything like that.
Okay.
They automatically said, we're towing your car. He right what he said. He kicked that door in. Because I said, no, leave me alone.
What happened here? It sounds like the officer had to use a little bit of force to put you in handcuffs.
I was on the front porch.
Okay.
He broke it. He kicked that door in.
Yeah. Okay.
That's exactly what I said.
So what
I
happened?
got a life for it. I don't
What
need to lie
happened
about
between
nothing.
the door getting kicked and you being put in handcuffs?
I didn't put. Well, these are 2 weeks.
Do you have any questions that I could answer?
Why? What you gonna answer for me, sir? Well, first of all, they don't need to manhandle me. I'm only 4'11". Both of them don't need to handle me like they did.
Okay. Any questions that you have, that's what I would like to answer. Because right now I'm here and on scene. And in a little while you'll be on your way to county.
I'll sleep there.
So.
Court be a Monday.
Following the arrest on August 23, 2025, the driver was transported to the local county jail for formal booking, fingerprinting, and mugshot processing. The routine traffic stop for minor driving infractions rapidly escalated into a highly dangerous situation because the driver chose to completely defy multiple lawful orders from the officers on the scene. When she was calmly informed that her SUV was legally being towed due to severely expired license plates, she immediately rolled up her windows, ignored explicit commands to step out, and slammed her foot on the gas pedal to flee. She led police on a high-speed chase through local streets, reaching speeds over 40 miles per hour and heading directly toward the highway before supervisors temporarily terminated the pursuit for public safety. However, officers quickly tracked the vehicle directly to her residential property, where she actively fought against the arresting units on her front porch before being successfully subdued and placed in heavy steel handcuffs. While waiting for the transport unit to arrive, a commanding sergeant conducted a formal on-scene interview to document her statement. The suspect remained intensely combative, aggressively disputing the official police accounts, falsely claiming her driving privileges were completely valid, and loudly challenging the legal justification for the initial vehicle tow. In court, the state prosecution relied heavily on the clear cruiser
and handed a strict long-term suspension of her driver's license. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.